Okay.
Okay, great. How have you been? Thank you so much for accepting the invitation. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. My pleasure completely.
Yeah, we have lots of fans in Dubai, Middle East. There's a huge fan following of Indian television and films in Dubai. Not just Indians, but Pakistani, Arabs, and there's a huge demand for Indian content. So you're obviously a very well-known him here. So I had to bring you on the show because बहुत friends की request भी आ रही थी. So
Thank
thank
you.
you very much. You're
Thank you.
glowing, looking very young as usual, very pretty.
Look at yourself, Nadia. You're growing so much.
Yeah, I think थोड़ी देर में नहीं होगा अभी रोजा लगना शुरू हो जाएगा. We're fasting, so yeah, great. So great, Smita. So बहुत सारे fans के questions आए हैं, which we'll take definitely later. If you allow me, I'll start with the questions.
Yes, sure, sure.
Okay, brilliant, great. So okay, okay. आपका acting का career कहाँ से start हुआ? Like,
Uh,
how did your journey start into acting?
so actually, my first show was on Doordarshan. It was called Itihas. It was back in 1996. So that was my first
Hmm.
show. That's how I got into acting. Actually, I did this course at Kishore Namit Kapoor Acting Lab in Mumbai, and
Hmm.
I've been doing it. I had time in between my college and everything, so it was a break from studies basically. And I thought I'll
Hmm.
do some acting course basically for personality development and all. And before the end of the course, I got this offer for Itihas, and I lapped it up because it was something I was enjoying, and yeah, so that's how it started.
This is awesome. And then you just went on and on. This is beautiful, amazing.
Yeah, it's just been it's just been when there is a profession which is made for you and you enjoy doing, the
Hmm.
roots running on their own. So it's not that I tried to very hard to get into it or something, but yes,
Hmm.
uh, I just kept getting the right opportunities is what I can say.
Brilliant. Awesome. So obviously, you've done Hindi and South industry. If I must ask, कि दोनों बहुत अलग industry हैं. If you have to compare the goods and the bads, so क्या benefits and क्या
So, I can just say that I haven't done South much because
okay.
I have always been a very, very homely kind of a girl, and to be away from home and away from my family has always been very tough. So that is one
Hmm.
reason that I've really not branched out that much. Yes, I have done a film in the down south, and it was a wonderful experience. They're very, very professional people.
Okay.
Time, punctuality and work ethics are remarkable. They are very, very good with all that. But yes,
Hmm.
it was my first film, and it was in a language which I have no clue about. So it was a
Hmm.
nightmare for me because, and
But it must be very adventurous also at the same time.
at that time I just felt ki, why did I say yes? I just want to go back home. Why? Because I had to.
Oh God, anxiety attack.
I was very, very nervous. I had to say the lines in Malayalam, then I had to emote also, and then I have to walk and reach to a certain mark also. And I just kept crying, I can't do all this together. So, yes,
I'm sure.
now I'll
But
do
chalo,
it.
you shined out, so I guess it was like a challenge. लेकिन मजा भी आया होगा. The
Yeah.
thrills also in it.
Then I look back, yes, now I feel, yes, I did it. But that I was very nervous.
Okay, awesome. But obviously Hindi, if I would say television often, that's your hometown, so
Yeah,
it's
Hindi
like
is my language. Hindi, I'm very comfortable with Hindi language. In any my first language, I belong to Jaipur. So the Hindi was something. My problem with the means my hurdles were to the acting bit because I'd never acted before. I was
okay.
dancer. I was never an actor. So, घर पे क्या होता है ना नादिया, when you're sitting at home looking in front of the mirror and just speaking lines from a Hindi film, no, everyone feels they can do it. But when there are looking at you, there's a camera rolling and there's a director,
Exactly.
it is not so easy. And yes, but
I'm sure.
yeah, I had some extremely good directors I worked with, and they like kept, they had that patience with me that she's new. We
Hmm.
need to we need to work on her, and dhire. I really always had very, very good teams working with me, and that's
Yeah.
how I now, after so many years, I now feel I have grown, and I have been learning over the years. I'm still learning, but yes, when I see my first work and when I see my work now, I feel yes, I have it. Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Of course you have. And I guess we're still in a learning phase. There might something new come up that you might be, I'm still learning.
That
True.
will keep, that is going to go on forever. But stay from 1 to 1 and then 1 to 5 is also, I feel, progress. And I know I really didn't know anything when I entered the industry. Now I feel.
But you're such a sweet personality. I think after dekhe, everybody probably starts smiling. You probably bring positivity into the room. I think you're one of those.
No, I think that I get like on Insta also, I get a lot of comments that you're so positive and you give such positive vibes, and I'm very happy about it, because in this time,
Exactly.
much negativity around, there's so much stress
True.
in this world.
True.
People do feel they're getting positive vibes from me. I think it's a blessing for me.
It's a blessing, of course, and for everybody else around you. Awesome. आपने reality show नच बलिए भी किया, खतरों के खिलाड़ी. How's the reality show experience for you? Obviously, there's no retakes, there's nothing in that. This is it, you're right in front.
It's not only about retakes, it's also about a lot of nervousness. I'm a very competitive person. I don't look like that, but I do not like getting out, even in a game of Ludo. So for me, to be there and give my 100% is all I can do, because I have my fears. Especially for Fear Factor, when I was doing Khatron Ke Khiladi, I was every stunt used to be like, "ये तो मुझसे होगा ही नहीं," and of course, absolutely no preparation that you
You're
can.
actually quite scary to look at, and up to uske andar thi, so it's like, imagine.
Actually, Nadia, it is a very different world. It's as an actor, I feel you can still doing something which someone else has told you to do. But in a reality show, you're yourself. Whatever you're speaking, it's you. Whatever you're doing, it's you. And a lot of times you don't want certain traits of yours coming out. But then in a show like Khatron Ke Khiladi, you really can't control, because agar difficult hai, to wo difficult hai. You can't.
I know, and there are moments of Saab Bichu, and I'm like, oh my god, the anxiety only, and you guys are in it, so it's like, wow.
I'm not a water person at all. I can just sit near the pool and click pictures. That's all I can do. Getting inside swimming is something which I cannot do. So for me, water stuff is most dangerous. Everyone feels the animals and insects are dangerous and very scary. But for me, all that I knew is all about willpower. If I know they will not do anything to me, and I have to make myself strong. But water is a mind of its own. What can I do?
Exactly, how do you get away from that? I swear. Smita, I think there's a lot of fans saying hi to you. Maybe you would like to say hi to them. I think they're like,
hi.
Many before the.
So much everyone for joining this live. Thank you, Nadia, for giving this opportunity to me.
Thank you. Yeah, awesome. Okay, OTT का ज़माना है. What are your views on OTT platform?
I think it's a very, very good change. Very, very welcome, very needed also, especially in Indian television. Keep complaining, it's becoming regressive. So I think OTT platform is extremely refreshing where, content is concerned. I have always been a believer, because I joined the industry जब weeklies हुआ करते थे, there were no dailies. So
exactly.
I always believe that the smaller time span का जब content को अगर smaller time span में बताते हैं, so it's always more, it's always better. There is the content is better, the performances are better, everything, because you have a story beginning till the end. You have to say a story in that time, and that's how the audience gets engaged, they perform joy. As an actor also, it's a medium, because you get to do different things. Otherwise, you're 6-7 years, you do the same thing.
And I guess people also kind of now don't want to see that. Because when it's once a week, you're right, people actually wait for the entire week eagerly कि कब आएगी episode, you know, yeah.
But I was talking to someone and they said to wait for a week, but the younger generation, they actually wait for that episode to come every Friday or every Thursday, and they do log on to their OTT platform and they do watch it. I have 2 daughters, and I believe that the younger generation's concentration span is very little. So if you give them the same content again and again for a week, who's interest in it? So you give them one in a week, but give them engaging content, and it works for them. So I think that way is very, very good, and that's why I think it has been lapped up so well with the audiences and all generations. We used to feel around before the lockdown and everything happened, we used to feel that the older generation will not, go take OTT platforms, take to them. But look at them, they were not given
exactly. They more prudent than us, they know more.
They all are watching now.
I'm like, really? You're more updated than me.
Which is, I think, because people do want to see good content, whatever said and done. I completely believe.
Totally. Bilkul. Great. Obviously, pandemic has hit the industry badly back in Maharashtra, lockdown. Aapko kya feel hota hai? How has it hit the industry? You're part of it, and obviously it has affected badly. Not just in India, I think it's all over the world, including Middle East also.
But like everyone says, and I too will say, everything one side and health of a person one side. So yes, nothing is about the health of anyone. Of course, the industry got hit. But I think every industry around the world got hit very bad. So entertainment is one of the industries, as hospitality, everything. I think
there's tourism, yeah.
So though we television, I mostly television, and television did kickstart again, and then we were rolling all over again. Everything started happening all over again, and now we are back to 2021.
I know. And yeah.
I think, but the kind of cases we are hearing every day, it is needed. We need to.
It's scary, yeah. And hopefully the people should also learn and respect, jab tak nahi karenge, this will never stop otherwise.
But Nadia, I feel how much ever, we are telling people, and everyone is telling, but there is some carelessness from every end, and been accelerating, and they say not till it doesn't hit you, you do not realize how serious it is.
Very true. Somebody recently said that. So khud nahi hoga, samajh nahi aayegi. But hopefully sabko nahi ho. That's what the prayers are. Some do make it, some don't make it.
So the lockdown or stopping work is basically so that not everyone faces it. But I think what to do?
Just pray and request, I think.
We can just
absolutely. Yeah. You're very active on social media. We also follow you, and we love your content and all the cuteness with your daughters, and of course yourself. How do you manage? Social media is a full-on job. I know that, So social media, anchor, bache, work. Kaise manage karti hai?
So Nadia, I am like a very, very phase type of a person. So there are phases when I'm very active. So
okay.
And then there are phases that have completely disappeared. So right now I'm in a phase of that wala. So I'm right now.
Okay.
So also because schools are online, so I have access to my daughters. Otherwise, I never have them. So
okay. I'm sure. Right. So you're probably enjoying this moment with them, huh?
Absolutely enjoying it, and I'm loving every moment because they are there with me constantly, and whatever said and done, online school from home, I can still ask, I need 10 minutes of yours, I need 15 minutes of yours. Otherwise, when they come from school and they are tired, and then they have so many other classes to go to, so many extra classes they have to do, so they never have time. So whenever I say, 10 minutes, Tasha, 10 minutes, like, Mama, I have this to do. So right now, I am in that phase where, I have them.
Make the most of it with the kids. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Chale. आपके बहुत सारे fan questions आए, but mostly they're from Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi. So just few cute ones that I picked up. Your debut movie, Curse. How did you get that role, or how did you manage to do a film.
So what happened?
And this is from Ali.
It's actually quite a all my work has been very incidental actually. Curse ke time pe what happened was my daughter, my elder one, was very small, and I was actually not planning to get back to television because television is very demanding
Yeah.
time. It is very difficult to manage time along with doing television. So I was not
Okay.
planning to get back to television, and I was missing working. So I got a call for Cars, and when they said they're shooting in South Africa, I got super excited.
Holiday भी हो जाएगी.
And that's how I just did the film, and that's how Cars happened.
Okay, awesome. Mani, the secret to your youth skin and glowing skin.
Oh, youth and glowing skin. There's only one thing that I have been maintaining and believing in is drink lots and lots of water. Thank you.
Okay.
Youthful skin. Thank you. But yes, with so much makeup that we put on, it is difficult to maintain, the skin and even everything actually, because the eating timing is not very very good. So we don't.
Yeah.
It's not a very healthy lifestyle that we lead. Very honestly, when we
Yeah, true. Gee.
are all haywire. But yes, drink lots and lots of water, and never ever go to bed without washing your face and removing makeup from it ever. So these are the two things which
Ever. Girls, all those listening, please remove makeup. Because there are times you're so tired, you just crash. You
Yes.
don't take it off.
I tell my daughter also this now. She's a teenager, and I tell her also this. Even if you come back at 3 in the morning, you
Makeup बता रहा हूँ.
you have to go wash your face, cleanse it completely, and then sleep. Make it a habit. Once it is in your system, it's not difficult at all.
It's not true. Bilkul. Okay. How did you feel when you got your first award, Sarah?
So of course, any actor, any performer, or anyone, when their work is appreciated, it's a very overwhelming. And I was very nervous. I was jittering. I had my all nervousness and trembling happening. And I remember that the acceptance speech was so bad. I was like,
Did you actually make your acceptance? Like you wrote it and all that? Yeah, but spontaneously.
I wasn't expecting it. So it's not that कि मुझे पता था मुझे ही मिलेगा. बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं था. So
Okay.
and also I thought I have this thing in my mind कि if I'm prepared for something, it doesn't happen.
तो वो भूल जाएंगी आप. हाँ.
नहीं, I'm prepared in the sense if I know that मुझे मिलेगा and I go with a speech and everything, I will not get it. So
Okay. Okay.
I very हाँ ठीक है या तो ठीक है
हाँ नहीं मिला, it's fine. I'll just enjoy myself and come back.
for it now. So that's how I went, and when they announced my name, of course, to that walk up to the stage was very very, there was happiness, there was nervousness, and but then I started talking. So someone recently put that speech on Instagram. Someone must have just, some people, when they dig up Purana work, and someone just posted, and I was so embarrassed. This is what I spoke.
Me?
I was very bad. What did I do? Yeah.
But those are again memories of the good moments and hard work. Yeah, of course. Amazing. Shikha, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color, actually, I love white. I
White.
absolutely
Okay.
love white. Yeah, I think
Purity.
white, everyone look nice, and white is
I think so. Yeah.
even like not only for clothes. I think even for decor and everything, I love the purity of white, and it gives a very calming feeling, I feel.
True. Agree. आपके favorite actor?
Shah Rukh Khan, without even thinking.
I think all women standard. Shah Rukh Khan.
I think
And all age group, by the way.
that's so amazing about him,
Exactly. Oh my God. अच्छा, आपकी favorite actress?
Madhuri Dixit.
Madhuri Dixit. Wow. Nikki, your favorite food?
My favorite, okay, I am not a very big foodie. I eat जो भी बनता है मैं सब खा लेती हूँ, because I have 2 daughters, do all the nakhras, and I really don't get the chance to even say ki what not. But yes, if my mother wants to pamper me, she'll make either rajma chawal for me or dal bati churma for me. I'm from Rajasthan.
Oh.
I love that.
Yeah. Yummy. Okay. Great. Did you struggle while entering the industry, Yasmin? Any kind of struggle in the beginning?
So in the beginning, not really. I was pretty blessed. I still have been blessed, but the struggle has always been about doing good work and do consistent work. You know, you getting one project is easy, but to maintain getting work one after the other project is always a challenge, I feel, and that struggle has always been there because once you once a project ends, you have to get into another one which offers you as much material and as much meat in the character, which always is very very difficult and challenging.
I'm sure. आपने बहुत सारे characters किए, one character जो आपके दिल के करीब, or you like, okay, मैं असली में भी थोड़ी थोड़ी वो झलक है, you know how real you.
I think I have never done a character which is anywhere near me.
Okay.
I am a very, very, personally, I am a very bindas kind of a person. I can't hide my feelings and emotions, but I have done characters of girls who are very, very docile, timid, very positive. I hardly have done negative. Not that I'm a negative person. I'm a very positive person, but I'm not I can't act in real life. If
what you see is what you get, I guess.
It's nice, it's nice, it's not nice, it's not nice. But yes, one character which is very close to me and which will always remain very close to me will be Sumitra from Balika. Not only because the character was so beautiful, but it has given me people still know me as Sumitra. People love me as Sumitra, and so it's not that I gave myself to Sumitra. Sumitra gave herself to me too, and that is so beautiful about it.
So beautiful, amazing. Dia, do you prefer Western wear, Eastern wear? You look nice in both, by the way, but preference-wise, किसमें ज़्यादा comfortable हो?
I think I'm the most comfortable in kurtis and leggings.
Kurti.
Yeah, the most comfortable. Not that I wear them very often, but I think they're the most comfortable.
Comfortable. Great. Obviously, you're so much positive. Just any, आजकल बहुत depression है youngsters. I ask this question to many stars. They come with a lot of expectations and just seeing the glitz and glamour. But actually, when they enter the industry, they get disappointed. So, any tips for them, because then they end up taking extreme steps. So, just like being in the industry for so long and started so young.
So, I feel a few things which you have to know and you have to follow without even like thinking and blinking is that one, it will not be easy.
Gee.
Two, you have to do hard work. Even if you get the first project in your platter, you will still have to do hard work. There is no, there is no getting away from hard work. Till you do not, give yourself completely, and that too for years on end.
Exactly.
Industry is something which looks very glamorous and it's beautiful. And honestly, it's a beautiful place to be.
It is
beautiful place, but you have to have the patience. Youngsters today lack patience. That is my only, problem, and that is my only advice to them, that have patience. There is life, and always have a backup plan. Two things if you have in life, you will not go wrong. Give yourself time कि मैं इतने साल पूरी मेहनत करूंगी या करूंगा, and whatever results I get in that time, good, very very good, but always have a fallback plan. Do not leave your studies and come to Mumbai or go anywhere else and go try to be something, or you have to complete your education. It is extremely important. So education is very important. Come with training. When we started work, there were not so many people in the industry. Now, and there was not so much competition, even footage wise. Every day we didn't have to can that much work, so no one has the patience to teach you on set anymore. You have to do your work. It's exactly like you can't, if you are a doctor, you can only start practicing when you've completed your doctor degree. So even for an actor today, do not come raw and fresh. Know your job, know your work, and then come. You will have a better standing. I'm not saying that luck is extremely important. So I'm not saying that nothing will happen. You never know. But if you are prepared, you're trained, you know what you're there for, what you want, you'll have better standing, because there are so many people who, you waste a director's time or a producer's time on the set, they will not call you back. And that we
सही
have
बिल्कुल ठीक
years. And I have seen it so much over the years that, you need to know your job. Otherwise, it's very difficult to sustain.
true agree. Will you any chance of seeing you in web series maybe in the future? Do you have anything pipeline? What's next for Smita?
Nadia, I think, completed my one show, Aladdin. I was doing on Sub TV, which just got completed like 1 month back. And right
Okay.
now, a phase of where I'm just relaxing. So,
Okay.
and also with the corona in the air and with the pandemic and everything, it's best to, lie a little low at this point.
अभी तो फिलहाल it just needs to take a back seat here. But if given opportunity, would you like to do web series? आपने television भी किया है इतना so.
For me, all the mediums are welcome. I will be most happy to till the character I am being offered has something to do, and there's some meat in my character. Medium really has never mattered. I have done theatre. Okay. I've done television.
Exactly. That's just okay. Web series maybe in the future we might see you in series as well. So.
Yes, before all this started happening, I was talking to 1 or 2 web series, but honestly, nothing very exciting has come up till now, because like I said, there are so many people now. So to get that one character you really want to do is little difficult.
I'm sure. Okay, before I leave you, what it attracts you in a script? You're like, this is the kind of script that I want. Of course, आपको बहुत script आती होंगी, आप पढ़ती होंगी, but what makes you choose the script?
For myself, for me, one of the most important factors is what am I doing in that script? It can be a very, very well woven script, very beautifully written story and everything. But if I have nothing to do in it, I'm not interested in it. I'm very selfish that way.
Fair. That's fair.
Yeah. The second thing which attracts me to any project is the team. Who's making it? Who's directing it? And who else is going to be associated with the project, because I have always believed that working is a team effort. Only one person cannot make a difference. The team has to do it. So that is very important. And now, because I do mostly mothers characters, I always ask who's going to be my child. If I am not comfortable with the bacha, I will leave the show.
If it doesn't feel like a mother-daughter or a son-mother, तो कैसे आगे बढ़ेगी नहीं? True.
Comfortable playing a mother to someone, because as a mother, when you're playing a mother, it's your emotions are on a very different level. So if you're not comfortable, then you'll never be doing 100% job. So
you won't justify.
So people might say why she wants to know, but I always want to know who my children or my husband is gonna be.
So no surprises there. But where you're coming from is correct. If you're not comfortable, तो वो आप कर ही नहीं पाओगे screen के ऊपर, that comfortness नहीं होगा.
And Nadia, it's not about the person I'm comfortable with or not. It's not that.
Exactly.
That I do not feel that I am. I don't know. I just don't get good vibes. I will not do it. It's like that.
Okay, awesome. Any message for your fans? Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, everybody. We have big viewership here. लोग बहुत शौक से देखते हैं. People wait कि कब आप लोग UAE आओगे, travel करोगे, so they get a chance to meet you. So, any message for them, for the Middle East?
I can say I love UAE. Dubai is my favorite place, and it's 2020 is the first year I think in so many years that I've just not visited at all, because of course we could not travel, and hoping when things start opening up, and I was telling my husband also that I haven't been to Dubai, I'm missing it. So let's see. If things start opening up, we'll start visiting again. And thank you so much for all the love. Always UAE and especially Dubai, I have always been so loved by the people there that it's a beautiful feeling. And in a different country, when people give you so much love and respect, it feels even more. you know, it's even better over them. So I
बिल्कुल,
think
because when they recognize like wow, यहाँ भी मुझे लोग इतना प्यार करता है, I think that's such a overwhelming feeling.
beautiful feeling, and that's one thing which and they're so respectful, you know, they're not, it's just not that they know you, and they are so loving and respecting. So that is one thing very, very nice about the UAE. And also thank you so much for watching our shows and liking us so much. It really, really is an honor for us to be able to entertain, and thank you.
Awesome. We've just entered into Ramadan, so any Ramadan wishes? Because कल से रमजान शुरू हो गया दुबई में, so.
Up to you, matlab, 1 month of pure fasting, and hope this year, this our prayers, your prayers, and everyone's, it brings little more, brings a better world to us, and we become pandemic.
Inshallah.
I think
Absolutely.
it's moving towards it. The vaccines over there are much, you know, vastly available than here in India.
Yeah, most of us are vaccinated already.
A lot of people already. So I hope and it comes to us too. And happy fasting, all of you. And very soon it'll be Eid time. And by then, if things open up, hopefully I'll be there.
And then party. Hopefully. Abhi to sab band hai, not allowed.
Yeah.
Great. So I'll just thank you so much. आप show में आपने time निकाला, and you're such a positive and a lovely person. I'm so happy to actually see you face to face. Inshallah, once you're in Dubai, I will definitely अगर आपसे मुलाकात हो. And thank you to Rizwan auntie as well for connecting me to you. She's a lovely lady and making me meet somebody so special. So thank you so much to you and to her.
Thank you, Nadia. Pleasure. Thanks.
Thank you. So I'll take your leave now. I think you can disconnect, and I'll just thank everybody else. Thank you, Smita. Lovely talking to you. Thank you, guys. That was Smita with me. She's a lovely, positive person. And thank you, everybody who logged in. Once again, in case you do miss out on Instagram, it will be on IGTV. And after that, it will be on YouTube, which is Box Office Events. You can always go and check that out. Thank you, everybody who's signed in and been sending messages. There were so many messages I couldn't read through. But thank you very much. And once again, Ramadan Kareem.